Hi, folks. I'm meteorologist Tom Kviga back with you again. We are looking at some high cloudiness out there with our tower cams. Remember, armchair forecasting rule. Many times that's the first sign of weather changes, and I think it is this time. It's a warm day as well, 88 out at the airport, a little bit of humidity, 60 dew point. Not real tough, certainly here by our standards, though, but enough where we can feel a little moisture in the air. And likewise, up in LaSalle Parish, it's 87 in Jena, seeing the same high clouds come in well above 12,000 feet above the surface. Bottom line, be ready for more storms in the forecast, and summer comes after the rain. A lot going on over the next 7 days. We got some graduations, we got a weekend coming up. So let's get into it. We have also got the satellite and radar pictures for you. Notice that the energy is kind of boiling out west. You see a little motion here, and then the subtropical southern branch of the jet stream getting started out west across Mexico and into Texas, set to deliver moisture and energy to Cenla for these weather changes that we're expecting. This is Futurecast, using one of our better high-resolution models for your commute in the morning for Thursday. Not expecting much in way of coverage, but there could be a thunderstorm or two mixing in even that early, but the coverage again would be pretty low. As we go into the rest of the day for your PM commute, so far, I think things will be holding out, but there'll be a lot of weather to the west of us. That's where you need to turn your weather eyes for tomorrow to see the showers and thunderstorms in that area, and organized MCS, as we call it, mesoscale convective system. That will be out to the west of us. Thankfully, that won't bother most of the commutes, but quickly after that, for evening errands and entertainment, I think it's going to be rain and storms. This is by your bedtime. Still some thunderstorms going on, that loud thunder across the area. And then as we go into Friday, still rain chances off and on during the day, but it kind of scatters out some. Not as organized, I don't think, as what we will see on Thursday, although there is a chance. A couple of models are indicating there could be another organized storm complex come in that day. So let's handle the severe weather dimension of this first. This is the first outlook, which covers the time frame there. Says tomorrow, but that is basically from 7 a.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Friday. So basically Thursday and Thursday's night threat, pretty broad, all the way from southeastern New Mexico into the Fort Biloxi area over toward Mobile, in fact, with a level 1, level 2 risk. And then for Friday, this would be 7 a.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Saturday. Still levels 1 and 2 here for our area, stretching all the way northward into portions of the Tennessee Valley. Now, there's also severe weather as far as a text product that I want to give you. So here, the first severe weather threat for Thursday night, I think will be about 6 p.m. Thursday to 3 a.m. on Friday. The pattern being MCS, a convective system that will organize in Texas and head this way. We've seen those patterns, and this is going to be more of the same. Wind and hail about 5 to 15% risk, tornado risk at 2 to 5% within 25 miles of your house, business, or school. There'll be frequent lightning, especially with some of the stronger storms, and that means some more of this loud, heavy, house-shaking thunder that we've had recently. And the situation also has, again, a flood dimension to it as well. And here that is for tomorrow, which takes us into basically the PM hours, I would say Thursday into AM Friday. That is the main time frame that will have the heavy rainfall that could cause some flooding issues. This is a level 3 out of 4 across our area because there's been so much rain. Some portions of the East Texas piney woods have had 20 inches of rain in the past 2 weeks. So yeah, you get the idea that it is wet, extremely wet in places, and it's going to get wetter before it gets better. All right, for Friday, still a risk, but less. The moderate risk goes off to the east of us a bit, but we still have some potential for locally heavy rainfall on Friday. So we still have a lot of rivers in flood. We've got concerns across the Mississippi River is either in flood or is expected to be. That's what these are. The Sabine River across areas to the west of us. So we've got tributaries to the Calcasieu, and Calcasieu all the way down through Allen Parish, and of course the Little River back up toward the northeast of us. Some issues there, and this rainfall on top of it, well, it's going to kind of aggravate the situation. So everybody gets wet. This is the rainfall pattern. I'm grouping Thursday and Friday into one event now. 100% coverage there. Everybody's going to get rain out of that deal. Common amounts for the 2 days total will be about 1 to 3 inches, maybe a little bit more in places. Peak amounts, I'm expecting so far 4 to 6 inches, although there are a few model opinions that are exceeding 6 inches here across the area. So I'm going to go a little bit more conservative with that and just say 4 to 6 inches for now. It is going to be one of those situations also where we have very high rainfall rates, 2 to 3 inches an hour. Not out of the question in some of the stronger storms, and that of course can promote the flash flooding. Going into your 7-day forecast, then next couple of days look wet and unsettled with very high rain chances and likelihood of rain, certainly severe and heavy rainfall potential. And then Saturday and Sunday, we keep 30% going on Saturday. Right now, most of the models are saying that could be limited to the morning hours, but I'm just going to go without an AM qualifier there and just kind of say it could percolate a little bit all day Saturday, but certainly much less in coverage than what we see late Thursday and into Friday. Sunday looks like a day where we'll have summer coming in. It'll really descend pretty quickly under a sunny sky. 91 for an average. That leaves some folks maybe as hot as 93, 94 for summer Sunday. And then summer continues Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And we start adding more humidity with the warmer minimum temperatures. Look at the 72, 73 for Tuesday, Wednesday. The atmosphere can't cool off as efficiently at night when it's humid. So there's the humidity, and that will be quite uncomfortable as we head into the early middle part of next week. So first, rain and storms, and then summer visits Cenla. All right, thanks for being with me. Nick Mickers will be back with you for tomorrow morning, and I think he's really wanting to do the severe weather this time. So we'll see what he's got for us. All right, well, take care.